How to remove Facebook primary Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Facebook, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Now go to Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. Now click on Contact Info. Now if you have only one email address, then tap on Add New Contact. Now choose Add Mobile Number. Now choose Add Mobile Number or Add Email Address. Now after that, add an email address and click on Next. Choose the Facebook account, click on Next. Now verify the email address. Now paste the code, click on Continue. Now tap on Next. Now enter the code, tap on Next. Now go back again, tap on Contact Info. Now select your email and tap on Delete email address. Now click on Delete. Now enter your password and tap on Continue to delete the email address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.